An entry door is one of the most used features in any home. It provides security, affects indoor comfort, and plays a major role in first impressions. While choosing the right door is important, how that door is installed matters just as much. For homeowners in Pell City, professional entry door installation is essential for ensuring long-term performance, comfort, and reliability. Why installation matters more than many homeowners realize. Even a high-quality entry door can underperform if it isn't installed correctly. Gaps, misalignment, and uneven sealing often result from improper installation, leading to drafts, sticking doors, and reduced security. In Pell City residences, professional installation ensures the door functions as a complete system rather than just a surface upgrade. Proper fit and alignment are critical for everyday performance. Achieving a precise, secure fit. One of the primary goals of professional entry door installation is precision. The door must sit squarely within the frame and close evenly on all sides. For Pell City homeowners, this precise fit helps prevent air leaks, reduces wear on hinges and hardware, and ensures the door opens and closes smoothly. A properly fitted door feels solid and dependable from the first use. Improving indoor comfort near entryways. Drafts near entry doors are a common complaint in homes with poorly installed doors. Even small gaps allow outside air to move freely inside. Professional installation helps Pell City homeowners eliminate these drafts. With proper sealing and alignment, entryways feel more comfortable, and nearby rooms benefit from more stable indoor conditions. Supporting energy efficiency through proper sealing. Air leaks around doors can contribute to unnecessary energy loss. When conditioned air escapes, indoor systems must work harder to maintain comfort. In Pell City homes, professional entry door installation ensures seals are applied correctly and consistently around the frame. This helps keep conditioned air inside and supports better overall efficiency without relying on temporary fixes. Enhancing door security and stability. Security starts with how well a door is installed. A door that isn't properly secured can compromise the effectiveness of locks and hardware. Professional installation ensures the door frame is reinforced and aligned correctly. Pell City homeowners benefit from doors that close securely and provide reliable protection for their households. Preventing long-term wear and maintenance issues. Improper installation often leads to long-term problems such as sticking, sagging, or frequent adjustments. These issues can become costly and frustrating over time. By choosing professional installation, Pell City homeowners reduce the risk of these problems. A well-installed door maintains its shape and function, minimizing the need for ongoing maintenance. Protecting surrounding walls and finishes. Poor installation can allow moisture or air to affect surrounding walls, trim, and finishes. Over time, this can lead to cosmetic or structural concerns. Professional installers take care to seal and finish the door properly, protecting the surrounding areas. Pell City homeowners enjoy a cleaner, more polished result that lasts. Ensuring proper operation from day one. A professionally installed entry door operates smoothly right away. There's no need to force it closed, lift it into place, or adjust it constantly. For Pell City residents, this ease of use improves daily routines and eliminates the small frustrations that come with poorly installed doors. Long-term value beyond appearance. While a new entry door can instantly improve appearance, its true value comes from how it performs over time. Professional installation ensures Pell City homeowners get the full benefit of their investment: reliable operation, improved comfort, and reduced maintenance concerns for years to come. A smart choice for lasting performance. Entry doors are too important to leave to guesswork. Professional installation ensures every component works together as intended. For homeowners in Pell City, professional entry door installation is a practical decision that supports comfort, security, and long-term performance, helping create a home that feels dependable, welcoming, and well cared for every day.